This is John from Shoesters and Inceptez. Coming Saturday evening, we are planning to conduct a DevSecOps related workshop which focuses more on cybersecurity, DevOps, and then Generative AI implementation. In this workshop, this will be an ice-breaking and eye-opener workshop for you guys. So basically, you will be able to learn lots of important things related to the security world and automation world in this IT infrastructure. And in this workshop, we are going to cover basically with the Docker tools, which we are going to scan container images and find potential vulnerabilities. And then we are going to see how we can run the scanned images in Kubernetes, particularly the generative AI-based workloads. And then we are also going to see how to simulate layer 7 DDoS attack against the Kubernetes network endpoints. So these are all the exciting content that we have planned for this cybersecurity-driven DevSecOps workshop. And I invite all of you to come and participate. This is a free workshop. You can participate, you can ask your questions. We have a podcast kind of session at the end of the workshop. We also have on-premise data center too, where you can see how we implement cybersecurity related practices and how we run Docker, Kubernetes containers and microservices inside these on-premise data centers, which we are building. And this is these are all the exciting content that you get from this workshop.